Hey guys, as you recall on our earlier videos, if you've seen them, was that we had a little incident, just barely caught a railroad track at the beginning of our adventure, and it bent the jack up. So I'm back home here now, and I'm going to attempt to straighten this up and get her back on. So I'll show you what we've done. Of course, started already, as usual. But anyways, so I've taken the plasma cutter and I cut the bracket off. So as you can see, it got bent pretty good, but I think it's salvageable. I'm going to take and I'm going to heat it all up, the side corners, straighten these just got to be back to 90 degrees. So we'll roll this one back around, straighten it up, and then we'll get her welded back on nice and true and straight on the frame, and probably plate it a little bit as some extra security. So till we get there. Okay, managed to get it straightened up and tacked back in with one tack there just to see how it fits and that it's going to sit proper. So we're just going to figure out a way now to get it leveled with the trailer, and then we'll be able to weld her up and show the end result. But we managed to get her straightened up pretty good considering how twisted it was. Okay, we got this all fixed up and welded back on. Didn't come out too bad in the big picture for as bent and twisted as it was. We just give a little paint there, and the fire weld's not the prettiest there. It was. I had a filler plate and welded in between, but I didn't like it, so I wanted to put some more weld over top of it, but it was a pretty wide weld, so it was tough to make it pretty, but it's functional. The rest aren't too bad. See that one there, and she's solid and back to original. Actually, it might even be a little stiffer than original, but there we go. We just got to bolt the jack on her, and that's a successful repair. Jack all bolted back into place. It's all back straight where it's supposed to be. We've raised it up so that hopefully future endeavors we don't have that issue again. And we're just working on raising the other side over there up to match pretty well as far as they can go. Up. So it wasn't bad. It was a couple hours to do the repair once we got the oxygen and Argo Shield for the welder, because I got home and everything was empty for some reason. But might have been too big of a rush before we left to fill it up last time we used it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. We got it. We got it fixed. So one more thing off the list. Till the next one, that's all.